Hi, welcome to Samprati Eye Hospital. We are going through difficult times due to the COVID 19 situation. Hence, it is necessary that we all take certain precautions as responsible citizens. I request you to visit the hospitals only if it is absolutely necessary. In case you do have to visit us, we at Samprati Eye Hospital have incorporated several safety measures to prevent spread of infections. As you all know, the coronavirus spreads through air or through fomites. Means when you cough or sneeze, the virus can get into the air as droplets, and if someone else breathes these droplets, they gets the infection. Or these virus droplets can settle on some surfaces like the tables, chair handles, or door knobs, and someone else touches those surfaces and touches their nose or mouth, they can get the infection. All our staff undergo a routine thermal scanning on arrival. They are all given a N95 equivalent masks, gloves, face shields, and goggles. They will also sanitize their hands frequently whenever they touch a patient. A breath shield is installed to prevent cross contamination. We maintain social distance by keeping the adjacent chairs blocked, and the doors are also half open so that you don't have to touch the doorknobs while to enter into the room or to exit out of the room. So this way the transmission through fomites is minimized. All the trial frames and other equipments which are used are cleaned and sanitized after seeing each patient. UV light also has been shown to be a very powerful disinfectant which kills the virus within a few seconds. So we have also installed a UV chamber to sterilize all the equipments necessary in the outpatient department. Chairs and reception tables and other frequently touched surfaces are disinfected after each session. And at the end of each session, the whole premises is sanitized by cleaning with disinfectant solution. We also do a fogging, and this UV light is switched on in all the areas of our outpatient to sanitize the area. We have also restarted our operation theatre with maximum possible precautions to prevent the spread of infection from one patient to another. The whole OT is sanitized and cleaned with disinfectant solution after each surgery. UV lights are also switched on to further disinfect the OT and remove all the viruses from the surfaces of the operation theatre. We have also started the tele-ophthalmology platform to address minor issues. Of course, this cannot be a substitute for a complete eye examination, but it can be useful for treating minor ailments such as conjunctivitis or allergic problems, or if you want to clear any doubts with the doctor. So when it is necessary to visit the hospital, I request you to please follow these guidelines. Please make prior appointment and be on time so that we can see you in the shortest possible time. Please do not come to the hospital if you have any signs of fever, cold, cough, sore throat, or recent onset of loss of smell. Also, please inform us if you are tested positive for COVID or if you are in contact with anybody who was tested positive for COVID. And also, please let us know if you had traveled outside the city in the last 15 days. Please do not carry anything to the hospital unless it is absolutely necessary. Your old reports can be sent to us on WhatsApp in the following numbers. And also try to bring only one attendant with you and strictly avoid bringing children unless they are the patients. Before leaving your house, please ensure that you wear your mask correctly, and it should correctly cover your nose as well as the mouth. And wash your hands thoroughly with the soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Please avoid public transport wherever possible. I request you to please download the Arogya Setu app as mandated by the government, and please turn on the Bluetooth in your phones. On your arrival at the hospital, you will go through a thermal screening to rule out fever. You'll also be provided with a hand sanitizer to sanitize your hands. You'll also be provided with a special COVID consent form. Kindly go through it thoroughly and sign the same. Please maintain social distances at all points of time. After registration, it is preferable that you wait outside the clinic premises, or if you have come in a car, you can actually go and sit in your car, and whenever your turn comes, the reception will call you on your mobile number. Avoid touching any surfaces in the hospital, particularly the doorknobs and the chair handles, and when you touch something like this and then touch your eyes, nose or mouth, you are at a higher risk of getting the infection. Always keep your mask covering your mouth and nose, even while talking to the doctor or the reception, and even during the examination. Digital payments are preferable over currency notes. After you will go back home, please leave the mask, the footwear, keys, everything in the front room of the house so that you don't carry the infection into the house. Sanitize your mobile with a sanitizer, and soak your clothes in hot water with soap, and have a bath if possible. So with these precautions, we can prevent the spread of the infection to a great extent. So stay safe, stay healthy. Together let us prevent spread of corona. Thank you.